Hey Emily, why did you choose to go to college at Texas A&M?
Why did I go to A&M? Well, I chose to go to Texas A&M because at the time when I was in high school, I wanted to go to a school that was known for their agriculture to get an animal science degree, and I wanted to go to a school that was well known, that was in Texas, and be able, at the time, thought that if I went to a school that had a good program, that I could get a good education, get out, have a good job to make a lot of money, to be able to do the things that I wanted to do and make my dreams happen. Well, while things haven't always went out that way and have a mountain of debt, I'm grateful that I went to A&M and for all the connections, the opportunities I've had, the internships that I was able to have while I was there. And I really, all in all, that is why I wanted to go to A&M. Was I visited, I liked the school, I wanted to go to a good ag school, and so that's kind of where I ended up.